How to connect a domain to Squarespace. Hi there, today we are going to learn about how to connect a domain on your Squarespace website here. And if you do like this tutorial and find it helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get started. First, to begin, you can just go ahead and log in into your Squarespace account. And here you will be able to see there are two tabs from dashboard and domains. What you can do here is you can start by clicking on one of your websites that you created. Just click on go to website and wait for it to load. And from here, what you can do here on the left side panel of the screen, you click on settings. Here and under settings, what you need to do is go into domains. From here, you have the option to get a domain here on Squarespace, or you can go ahead and use a domain if you have one. So if you already have a domain, what you can do is just input the existing domain that you have. And then there is a few steps that you will follow after that. Or if you haven't got or purchased any domain yet, you could just click on get domain. And then you will be directed into this page where you will be able to choose what domain you will be using for the website, where it starts at $20 to $50 a year. Here, let's choose one. Once you've chosen a domain, that would be added into your cart. And then just click on continue. And you'll be routed into this page where you'll need to fill out these informations to register the domain. Once everything has been filled out, you will also need to fill out your payment information as well. And you will need to verify your card number and the address of that specific payment method that you will be using. Once you are going to continue, click on save and continue, and then you will be routed into this page where you will be able to review the domain that you've purchased, and that will connect into your Squarespace website after that. And that's how you do it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.